Here on OK, so today I'm going to be talking about the best products of 2019, and this is the blusher category. So let's make a start. First of all, Bobbi Brown. Excellent, standard, your average standard blusher. Very, very beautiful. Great selection of matte blushes as well, which seem to be notoriously hard to find these days. Truly extraordinary. NARS, need a mention. NARS blushers are just perfect. That is Deep Throat, horrible name. And next we've got Gaiety, just to give you an indication of different colors. But they are beautiful, beautiful blushes. This is wonderful. This is Laura Geller, and MAC do one very, very similar as well. And this is the Baked Blush, and this is in Pink Butter Cream. And they're just, I mean, that is so beautiful. I love blusher. It's the one thing that can just make the face look so pretty. Or Hourglass. This is Radiant Magenta. Now, any Hourglass blusher, they are so beautiful, so subtle, and so pretty. Gorgeous. This is so underrated, and this is the blushes from Jouer. I love them. I think they are so perfect. You get two colors. They blend beautifully. There is a creamy texture to them. They're just exquisite. And of course, Charlotte Tilbury. This is one that gets no love, called the Climax. Now this is a great, great shade. This also makes a really nice, pretty crease color as well. And this one here is called Sex on Fire, which is obviously a reference to an STD. I'm kidding. But they're really, really good. You also get quite a lot of product in these. Now these aren't really for sale anymore because they've gone, but Bare Minerals, I loved the loose blushes. They're so pretty. This is Fruit Cocktail, and this one here is called Flowers. They've stopped really making them, which I think is such a shame. Just looking through my drawer to see if there's anything else I've missed that I really, they stopped making these as well, which I love. These were by Becca, and they're just these little pots of gorgeousness. But they've stopped making them. But that's really my favorite blushes. There's others here, but they're not my favorite. So it's absolutely pointless telling you to go out and buy them because they're not my favorite. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.